Sports is not just a form of entertainment for us. It is a part of us, a part of our culture. Especially during Olympics, 1,000,000 Indian heartbeats chant in a rhythm, and all we hear is India, India. Tokyo Olympics 2020 has arrived. We will stand by our athletes, cheering them on, no matter how many miles away we are. Let us take you through some of the most promising Indian players who are on their way to win a medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020. The first one on our list is a shooter, Saurabh Chaudhary. Saurabh Chaudhary was born in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. The 19-year-old is the youngest Indian gold medal winner at the Asian Games. He is the only Indian shooter to win a gold medal in World Championship, World Cup, Youth Olympics and Asian Airgun Championship. He broke his own world record at the 2018 World Championship. Saurabh Chaudhary promises India a medal at Tokyo. Will he be able to pull this one off? The next one is a weightlifter, Meerabhai Chanu. Meerabhai Chanu was born in Nongpok Kakching, Imphal, Manipur. Chanu's first medal came in the 2014 Commonwealth Games with a silver medal. She continued to excel as she clinched a gold medal in the 2018 Commonwealth Games. Her career best achievement came in 2017 with a gold medal at World Weightlifting Championship held in the United States. Chanu has been in a very good run for the last 2 years, which gives India a hope of winning a medal. The third one is a wrestler, Vinesh Fogart. Vinesh Fogart was born in Haryana. She is the first Indian woman wrestler to win both Asian Games and Commonwealth Games. Vinesh is the first and only athlete to be nominated for Laureus World Sports Awards. Fogart missed out on a medal at the 2016 Olympics due to injury in the quarterfinals. Fogart is keen on winning a medal in Tokyo, which she missed out at Rio de Janeiro. And now, we have an archer. Deepika Kumari. Deepika Kumari was born in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Recently, Kumari clinched a hat-trick of gold at Archery World Cup held in Paris. Deepika Kumari equaled a world record in women's classic bow in the first stage of the World Cup held in Shanghai. The 27-year-old current form promises India a sure shot medal along with her partner Atanu Das. And last but not the least, we have a boxer, Amit Panghal. Amit Panghal was born in Rohtak district, Haryana. He is the first Indian boxer to win a silver medal in the World Boxing Championship. Panghal also has a silver medal at Commonwealth Games and a gold medal at Asian Games. Amit recently won a gold medal in the Boxing World Cup held at Germany. The current world number 1 carries a big amount of hope to win a medal at Tokyo. Who do you think will win the medal this time? Comment down below and let us know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sports Chaska.